Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about transformation of sentences. This video is about how to change one sentence to another without changing its meaning, only interchanging the degrees of adjectives. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Jumared Mohapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's see what is transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences is that to change a sentence from one grammatical form to another without changing its meaning is called transformation of sentences. Interchanging degree of adjectives, we have to change the sentence from one to another without changing its meaning. Okay, you have known adjective has three forms, that means three degrees. One is positive degree, another comparative degree, right? Last one superlative degree. Okay, an adjective has three degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. In positive, we use structure as, so as, no other, as. We have to change these sentences into comparative without changing its meaning. Let's see. Sidhe is आजकल आज रिधि. We use the structure as. There you use the positive degree of adjective. Okay. Sidhe is आजकल आज रिधि. That means both height, same, probably same, right? So not changing its meaning, how to write the sentence in comparative. So what will first you take the next name. What is the next name? First name is Sidhi, next name Ridhi. So you take Ridhi. Ridhi, what I told? Comparative degree. Ridhi is not taller. Is not taller than Sidhi. Okay, Ridhi is not taller than Sidhi, where you use as structure. Preeti is as intelligent as Rima. Okay, so you take next name. Rima is not intelligent, is not more intelligent is a comparative degree. Intelligent positive degree, it's a comparative degree more intelligent. Rima is not more intelligent than Preeti. She is as beautiful as her sister. You take the next name. Her sister. Her sister is not beautiful. Its comparative degree more beautiful. Is not more beautiful. More beautiful than she. Than she. Ramesh is as wise as his father. Wise, wiser, wisest. Comparative degree wiser. First you write his father. His father is not wiser than Ramesh. Okay, let's learn how to change the sentences into another without changing its meaning, where you use so as. Okay, Himesh is not so strong as Shyam. So as used. Strong is the adjective. We have to focus to the adjective. We have to change that to comparative degree. Himesh is not so strong. Aaj Shyam. Take the next name. Okay. So what is that? Shyam. Shyam. That means who is stronger? Shyam is stronger. Himesh is not so strong. Aaj Shyam. That means Shyam is stronger. So you have to write Shyam is stronger than Himesh. Stronger than Himesh. Okay. Next. Mini is not so beautiful as Rani. That means Rani is more beautiful. So you have to take the name Rani. Rani is more beautiful. Its comparative degree beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Comparative degree more beautiful than Mini. Okay. She is not so intelligent as her brother. Intelligent is the adjective. We have to change that word, and so was used here. So you take her brother. Her brother is intelligent. Comparative degree more intelligent. Is more intelligent than she. Last one. Raju is not so wise as Rahim. So as and wise is the adjective. Its comparative degree wiser. Rahim is wiser than Raju. Rahim is wiser than Rahim. Okay. Then last one, no other Aj. No other Aj. No other city in Rajasthan is as beautiful as Jaipur. We have to focus to the adjective, right? No other city in Rajasthan is as beautiful as Jaipur. Take the last name of the place, Jaipur. Jaipur is, this is what? Positive degree. Make it into comparative, more beautiful. Jaipur is more beautiful than, in comparative degree, than must come, than no other city in Rajasthan. In place of no, replace any other city in Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Okay. Jaipur is more beautiful than any other city in Rajasthan. No other student in college is as wise as Rahim. No other as. Adjective wise. Comparative degree wiser. So Rahim is wiser. Is wiser than. Than whom? Any other student in college. Here no other given, you have to write any other. Any other student in college. Next number, no other book in the market as good as this. As good. Comparative degree better. So this is the subject, this. This is better. This is better than any other book in the market. Here given no other book in the market, you have to write any other book in the market. No other girl in the village is as pretty as Smita. Right, Smita? As pretty is adjective. It's a comparative degree, prettier. Smita is prettier than no other girl in the village, any other girl in the village. Not writing no other, you have to write any other. Any other girl in the village. Right? I hope you got the concept clear. Before closing, I want to put a question to you. Rewrite the sentence using as. You have known where you use as, that is in positive degree. Nikita is taller than Babita. Okay? Taller than. It is in comparative degree. You have to write it in positive degree using adjective tall. Here used taller, you have to use tall. And write and put it into the comment box. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.